Before we start, let's listen carefully to the sound coming from the speaker. We can also use this button to change the pitch. First, open the micro.bit project you downloaded. Then, add the Synth 6 to Buttons to Adjust Sound Frequency project. The program sets two groups of values: tone parameters and frequency parameters. Look at the colored circles on the screen. It changes the pitch. Higher values make the sound higher, and lower values make it deeper. It controls the pause time between notes. Smaller values result in shorter pauses, while larger values cause longer pauses. Give it a try and adjust the tone and frequency values to see how the sound changes.